Hi, good day everyone, and welcome to our channel. It's delicious. Today, I would like to show you how to make delicious bread rolls. Panini, Italian panini. Soft inside and crispy outside. Right, the ingredients are, for about 4 or 5, we need 350 grams of flour, 260 milliliters of water, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. First of all, we dissolve the yeast into a bit of our water. We mix it well, and in you go. Spread it nicely. There you are. Right. Now we can start mixing. With a wooden spoon, move the yeast around, and then put your water. A bit at a time. Right. We seal it properly. And we let it rest for approximately 45 minutes. Right, 45 minutes have gone past, and now we prepare the dough for the second proofing. Just wet the working table a bit, because it's very sticky. But remember, never add flour. We wet the spatula as well. There you go. And just work it like this. That's enough. And in it goes for the second proofing. We cover it up again. We seal it. Right, it has been in the fridge for just about 12 hours. And with your dough, work it out like this. Now this is folded. This is to give consistency to the bread. Right side. Make a nice little ball. Feels so soft. Right. Put more flour. And we cover it with a damp cloth to avoid getting dry on top, and we leave it for about 45 minutes. Right, now the final step, which is shaping. Yeah. The ball out. Okay. Press it. Palm on your hand. Yeah. And then some flour in the baking tray. That's enough. And we press them gently. And you can see I made them nice and long. Typical Italian panini. And now they're ready to be baked. But before that, we do two things. With a sharp knife, make a small cut like this, and a few cuts like the Italian panini. Roughly you can do like this. Hey, one in the middle. Then this. The next thing, we spray some water, so keep it humid, be nice and crispy. And now we go to the oven. Okay, it's very important. Take a small tray of water, put it in the oven. This will keep the humidity so nice and soft and crispy on top. And then we put them in for about 20-25 minutes, depends on the oven, perhaps a little bit more. Right, let's see what it comes out. Okay, now they're out of the oven. Look how beautiful they look. They're still hot, so with the help of kitchen paper, we put them on the grill to cool down, and once they cool down, we shall see what the outcome is. Right, now we come for the taste. The taste. Yeah, first of all, I just cut a bit here. We look at the nice color. Once again, look at this. Look. Okay. Beautiful. Look at elevation. Beautiful, fantastic. Well, Thank you for watching. Hope you will subscribe. And I'll see you for another recipe. Goodbye. Ciao. Au revoir.